We saw the rocket ship moving. Now, let's make the animation more exciting. Let's add a sound effect to our rocket ship. Click on the sounds category. Oh, we have a sound here. Let's play and check what it is. Click on the play button. Oops, this doesn't suit the rocket ship sound. Thus, we can add another one. On the bottom left side, we can find the choose a sound option. Click on it. Wow, we have lots of tracks here. But what we need is something that suits the rocket. Let's type space in the search bar and find out. There it is. Place the mouse pointer over the play button on the space noise and click on it to play the sound. This seems perfect for the rocket. We can click on it. This sound is now added to our animation. Let's return to the coding area. Click on the codes category. When do we need this sound? Exactly when the rocket starts gliding to the other end. Let's start coding for that. Go to the events category. Click on it and bring the when green flag clicked block to the coding area. To add the sound, click on the sounds category. Select the play sound space noise until done block to the coding area. Let's check. Click on the green flag icon. It works, but there is an issue. After some time, the sound ends. It's because the rocket takes 3 seconds to reach the other corner, but the soundtrack is not 3 seconds long. I have a suggestion for this. Go to the controls category and take the repeat block and place it in a way that the play sound block goes inside it. We can change the 10 to 2 in the repeat block. Let's check it out then. Click on the green flag icon. Superb! It works as we hoped for. In space, no one can hear you scream. Yes, it's hard to believe, yet true. This is because there is no air in space. It is vacuum. Sound waves cannot travel through vacuum space. Sound waves need a medium to travel through. Since there is no atmosphere in the vacuum of space, the realm between the stars will always be eerily silent. Well, we saw our rocket going up. Now it has to land. We are going to work for that. Is that something you're excited to do, dear? Great! The rocket has to land on a distant planet. So, we need a different backdrop. Place the mouse pointer on the choose a backdrop icon and select the upload backdrop option. I wish to upload the one I have already downloaded. By the way, you can do the same if you wish to. Now, I am going to upload this planet backdrop. Select it and click on the open option. We have the planet backdrop on the stage. Let's edit it. Select the selection tool. Click outside the image and drag over the image to select the whole backdrop and stretch it to fit the entire stage. Click on each corner, top and bottom of the backdrop. Now extend its position. Finished! In the last number of years, we have learned more about space than at any other time in history. We began sending rockets to space in the 1960s, and here we are 60 years later watching images sent from the mission in Mars, asteroids, comets and astronauts living in the space station orbiting orbiting the Earth. Click on the Codes category to go back to our coding area. We have to code the rocket ship. Therefore, click on the sprite icon of the rocket ship. All the block codes we did so far are now in the coding area. After reaching the other end, the rocket ship has to land in the planet backdrop. We have to work on this. Go to the Controls category, bring the Wait 1 second block to the coding area and place it in the first set of block codes we coded. Next, go to the Looks category, click on it and get the Switch Backdrop to Planet block to the coding area. Well friend, did you understand why we added these blocks here? Let me explain it to you. In order to switch the backdrop to the planet backdrop after a period of 1 second, signifying that the rocket has landed on the planet, we have to do this step. And it's time to check this out. Click on the green flag icon. The backdrop doesn't switch. The space backdrop we added at first is not visible now. It's because we have currently set the backdrop to the planet. And let's get back to our mission. Don't worry friend, we can code to resolve our issue. Go to the Events category, click on it and take the When Green Flag Clicked block to the coding area. When the animation begins, our backdrop should be off the space. So for that, go to the Looks category, click on it. Bring the Switch Backdrop to block to the coding area. We can change the planet option to the space option by clicking on it and selecting the space. That's all. Isn't this simple? Let's have a look. Click on the green flag icon. Wow! We have the rocket moving and on reaching the top, the backdrop switches to the planet. Have you ever thought of an alien world? It still remains a matter of debate. Since the mid-20th century, scientists have been actively searching for clues of alien life. It would be amazing to know about the presence of life outside Earth. Our next mission is to bring the rocket ship to the planet backdrop, showing that it landed safely. You might have seen that each of the sprites of Scratch has different animating motions. The rocket ship too has. Wanna see those? Click on the Costumes category. Can you see at the left of the screen, we have A, B, C, D and E options with different animations of the sprite? Let's click on them and look at their animations. Look, our costume A looks nice. Next, click on the B costume, then the C, then on D. Finally, let's click on E. All of them looks cute and funny. Except A, all others can be used as the animation to land the rocket. Let's go back to the Codes category. Go to the Looks category and take the Switch Costume to block to the coding area. We can change the rocket ship E to rocket ship B by clicking on the option. The backdrop is fixed. Click on the green flag icon once. We have to do something here. And let's stop it now. The position where we stop the rocket must be the position of landing. While landing, the backdrop will be changed to the planet backdrop and the rocket should land at this position of X and Y. Let's adjust the position of landing. Drag the rocket ship and place it just below the top left corner of the space background. Okay, so the X value is -65 and Y value is 23. And we have done this step to get the rocket ship landed at the exact position on the next background. To set this, first go to the Motion category, click on it and bring the Glide Seconds to XY block to the first set of block codes. We can change the 1 second to 3 seconds by clicking on 1, deleting it and retyping it as 3. Done! Earth's atmosphere is also hugely important for sustaining life. The atmosphere is a huge blanket of gases, mostly oxygen and nitrogen, wrapped around Earth protecting our planet from the sun's strong rays. At the same time, the atmosphere helps to keep the Earth's temperature comfortable for living beings, and it protects us from meteors too. The rocket ship is all set to land on the planet. Let's look at that animation. Click on the green flag icon. Whoa, it goes straight away to the other end. This sound effect gives the impression of reality. Then the backdrop changes and lands. Wonderful! We did a great job. We have seen the rocket ship taking off and landing on a distant planet.